Today we are going to see 8th Standard 1.4 Miss Slippery English Workshop. Let's start. First, two different words are joined to form the new words with a new meaning. Such words are called compound words. Sometimes there is a hyphen between compound words, for example, homework or kind-hearted. Pick out some compound words from the lesson. Classroom, notebook, never-ending, well-prepared, high-pitched, re-entering. Next page. Second, A. Add the proper prefix to make the following words the opposite meaning. Obey, disobey, sympathetic, unsympathetic, honor, dishonor, afraid, unafraid, content, discontent. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective forms. Laugh, laughable, thought, thoughtful, forget, forgetful, care, careful, count, countable, fear, fearful, move, movable, tear, tearful, punish, punishable, joy, joyful. Next, third question. Find words or expressions from the story which are the similar in the meaning to. First, very expensive, extravagant, longing for, yearning, could not remember at all, went blank, constant, perpetual, gather all one's courage, muster courage, filled and increased in size, inflate, paining badly, bruised, forced to pay a big amount of money, pay through one's nose. Fourth question. Answer in short in your own words. First question. The history teacher had asked them to memorize it. What? Answer. The causes and effects of the Battle of Panipat. Second question. Silas' new frock tore. How? Answer. When Silas fell and came tumbling down about the 7 steps from the school stairs. Next. Silas hugged him tight. Who? Answer. Silas' younger brother. Next. Silas was called slippery. Why? Because others sleep on a wet ground but Silas manages to sleep on a dry land. Fifth question. Teacher told Silas to meet her in the teacher's room. When? Answer. When Silas came late and the teacher was in the classroom. Sixth question. Teacher asked Silas to carry the notebooks. Where? Answer. To the teacher's room. Next. Divide the class into 2 groups with the help of your teacher and convert the story into skit. Each group can take one part of the story and later combine both the parts. Mention the following in your compilation. Present the skit in your class. Now, here you can take a screenshot or write it in your notebook. A new title, scenes, scene first, scene second. Next, characters. Here are 6 characters. Next, dialogues, scene first and next, dialogue, scene second. Entry, scene first, scene second, and exit, scene first, scene second. Next question, 6th. Write what expressions does a person use in the following situations. First, when a person gets a sudden fright. Answer, oh God, oh no. Second, when a person is very nervous. Answer, oh God, I don't know what to do. Third, when a person is tensed. Answer, oh my God, please help me. Next page. When a person is very happy. Answer, wow, it's wonderful. Fifth, when a person is very confident. Answer, I am sure that. You can write anything after it. When a person is very angry. Answer, hey you, just don't talk. Seventh, when a person is very sad. Answer, I am really upset about it. You can write anything after it. Now we are going to see language study. Some of the words in English do not change in the regular pattern when the tense changes. These verbs are called irregular verbs. Fill the forms of the verbs in the following table. 2 are done for you. Break, broke, broken. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Next, come, came, come, sing, sang, sung, buy, bought, bought, drive, drove, driven, fall, fell, fallen, know, knew, known, run, ran, run, see, saw, seen, take, took, taken. Come to the next page. Third, fill up the tables of the tenses given the verb give. Types of tenses: simple, continuous, progressive, perfect. Present, give, am oblique is oblique are giving, has oblique have given. Past, gave, was oblique were plus giving, had given. Future, shall oblique will give, shall oblique will be giving, shall oblique will have given. Next, second, say whether the following sentences are in a continuous tense or perfect tense. First, I was entering in the class, continuous tense. Second, the girls are teasing me, continuous tense. Third, I haven't said a word to you, perfect tense. Fourth, never before had anyone lavished on me, perfect tense. Fifth, you are going to be responsible for it, continuous tense. Sixth, according to the teacher, I had dropped the notebook on purpose, perfect tense. Next question. Turn the following sentences into the polite request. Example, show me the way to the post office. Would you please show me the way to the post office? First question, take me to your teacher. Answer, would you please take me to your teacher? Question mark. Second, tell me something about your school. Answer, would you please tell me something about your school? Question mark. Third, give me the details about your extracurricular activities. Answer, could you please give me the details about your extracurricular activities? Question mark. Fourth, provide me the information about books in your school library. Answer, could you please provide me the information about books in your school library? Question mark. Next, here are some phrases to make the polite request you may use. First, do you mind coming with me? Question mark. Would you mind helping them? Question mark. Could I go out? Question mark. Would it be okay if remain absent tomorrow? Question mark. Would it be possible for the little boy to run fast? Question mark. Would you willing to attend the lecture? Question mark. May I help you? Question mark. Come to the next page. Wordplay, anagrams, group activities. Answer, anagrams of 3 letters, anagrams of 4 letters, and anagrams of 5 letters. Next, individual activity. Make anagrams of the following words and remember an anagram contains exactly the same letters, no more, no less, only in a different order. 10. Answer, net, dairy, diary, glean, angel, farmer, reform, auction, caution, listen, silent, allergy, gallery, funeral, real fun, teacher, cheater, dormitory, dirty room. Next, mother tongue or other tongue. There are some of the words in English which sound like the words in your mother tongue, but if you consider the meaning and use, you realize that they are the different words altogether. For example, words meaning in English, meaning in Marathi, meaning in Hindi: rose, a flower, daily, everyday. Activity. Now complete the following table. Words meaning in English, meaning in Marathi: boat, a limb of human body, a finger. Soon, shortly, daughter-in-law. Rope, a strong cord, a plant. Lake, pond, daughter. Name, a name of person, place or thing, aim. More, much, peacock. Case, suit, hair. Find more such the English words which would be the meaningful in your mother tongue too. Riddles. Group activities. The teacher divides the class into 4 groups. Teacher asks the groups to read the riddles and to choose the correct answer for each one. The group that finishes correctly first is the winner. What comes down but never goes up? Rain. Next, What has hands but cannot clap? Clock. What has a neck but no head? Bottle. What can you see in a calendar as well as eat it up? Dates. What belongs to you but used more by others? Your name.